The final quarter of the third game. Sunday, May 24, 2026. Madrigal launches a play. And travels in and drops through.
Mert, isa, Mert, isa.
Now being by Fermin. Apala wide open. Fires the play.
Grabe naman ka, Kuya Kim. Kapetem.
Gonzales. Kakatawin ang bola. Madrigal. Roberto. Yes, Madrigal. Madrigal. Pamulit sa outside. Masakay Hansen. Gonzales is asking for it. Beto. Madrigal. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Gonzales fires. Misses Senso.
Tabuha, Mert.
Beto. Tayo from the side. Gonzales. Cross-court pass. Using the center. De La Rosa. Elisandro. Running the move. Defensive count. Masakay. Six minutes to play in the fourth quarter. Tayo, Radon. And denied. Tayo. And it drops through.
2 points. Boseng, Lentorio. Driving the ball. Boseng, Skinner Palma. Boseng nakawala. Passport. Lentorio.
Alvaro, 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Tayo against Masangkay.
Tiara. Power for 3. No good. Uyad. Oh, Uyad. Ayaw si Uyad na. Lentorio again. Back-to-back shot by Lentorio. Ayaw si Uyad pandamay. Sorry boss.
Tayo.
Defense by Palma. Balik na. Nabuyan pa ang bola. 52-61 in favor pa rin sa gold. Kini shooter kayo. Walang katao-tao. 3 points. 61-55. 6 na lang ang lamang.
Here's Masangkay. Sumugod.
Oh good. Rebound by the big man.
Magkakawin ang bola.
Ay ka.
Otherwise, Tayo.
Tuwa na sad. Back-to-back shot. 3 points. Ay, lumabas. Foul by Madrigal.
14 seconds on the shot clock. 4 minutes and 30 to play.
Uy, defense by Palma. Balik na. Kini. Tuara. Uy. Wala. Nice defense. Relax. Madrigal. No good. The big man. Bang. Relax. Score 57-61. Apat na lang ang lamang sa goal.
15 seconds on the shot clock.
Lentorio nakawala. Easy basket. Lentorio. Pass break. Oops. Ay nyo na. Oh, relax. Relax. Lentorio again. Back-to-back shot again by Lentorio.
Another back shot by Lentorio.
57-65 in favor pa rin sa gold. Tuara. Ay ka, short gamay. Uy! Alala.
Antonio loses the screen.
3 seconds.
3 seconds.
Naalaag regular games. 2 minutes and 28 seconds and last quarter. 57-65 in favor sa Gold.
Aparo.
It's a push. Narrow. Oh, 3 points.
Antonio.
60-65. Foul. 60-65.
Blocking foul on the city.
5 na lang ang lamang sa Gold.
Second personal foul, second team foul.
Lentorio crossover. Veterano kay bay.
Third personal foul. Antonio is now
2 free throw by Lentorio.
and they are leading by 5. Trying to extend the lead. No. 2 minutes and 30 seconds and 36. Lentorio, second attack.
Nice shot. 2 patay. Wala. Relax. Uy, foul.
There's a foul. 18 seconds. Sorry.
Ay.
Out.
1 point. 60-67 in last quarter. 2 minutes na lang.
Uses the screen. Uses the screen. Samir drives.
Nice moves.
Bounce it in. 2 minutes and 2 seconds. Lentorio. Taking the defensive timeout. Behind the back. Go. Jump. Tayo. Being guarded by Madrigal. Tayo. Vincent Alvarez.
Nice pass.
Good job.
64-67. Tatlo na lang ang lamang sa Gold.
15 seconds to shoot.
Lentorio. Nakawala si Lentorio.
Long shot by Lentorio. 1 minute and 19 seconds. Alasili gets it back. Tayo. Spin.
Inyo na. O, nyo na.
Rebound by Lentorio. Lentorio, wala. 1 minute. Last 1 minute. 15 seconds to shoot.
15 seconds. 64-69.
Last 53 seconds. 11.
Madrigal. Oy! Nakawala agad si Madrigal.
He got it. Last 49 seconds. Shot clock is reset by 24. Madrigal.
Score 64-72.
Hoy, second game mo na iwan na pa dito na.
Tayo magkakawin mo na. 23 seconds remaining.
Uy, defense ba yun? Slide.
And the center. There's a turnover. Madrigal.
Ay!
Gives it to Tayo.
Tuara. Buak. Bang! Bang!
Last 28 seconds.
67-72.
24 seconds to the shot clock. 20 seconds to the shot clock. Santana. Driving.
Number 1.
Santana drive.
Pass ni Madrigal.
Madrigal.
Busing. Paso Lentorio. Lentorio, ese basket kayo. Defense.
18 seconds remaining.
Nice game, nice game. Score 67-74. Winner sa gold. Very backs. Nice game na.
7.
Nice game. 67-74.
Yellow teams.
Nice game.
CPP.